Hello, everyone. Today's book is The Thank You Book. Please and thank you are the magic words. It's good to say thank you to your friends. And look at how many friends Piggy and Elephant have. So many friends. Wow. So he says, I am one lucky pig. I have a lot to be thankful for. Oh, I had better get thanking. I am going to thank everyone who is important to me. Everyone? Everyone! No way. You will forget someone. You will forget someone important. I will thank everyone. Piggy's serious. Oh. It will be a thank-o-rama. Oh, wow. Off I go. Pew. Squirrels! Piggy! Cute squirrels. Thank you for your great ideas. Ah, shucks. Snake! Piggy. Thank you for playing ball with me. Oh. Good hug. Oh, pigeon. The pigeon! Thank you for never giving up. And I am sorry you do not get to be in our books. That is what you think. Crazy pigeon. La 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 la. Thanking is nice, but you will forget someone. I will not. Wow. Mouse, Bernie's, Rhino, Hippo's big sister, Barky Dog, Pelican, Bear, Hippo, Worms. Thank you all for being great friends. Ooh, John Marida. Thank you all for being great friends. Aww. Woo! He's happy. See that, Gerald? I am a thanking machine. Piggy, you have forgotten someone important. 중요한 사람이 까먹었어. Smile. Elephant, maybe? Do not worry, Gerald. Maybe next thanks will be a big one. My next thanks will be a big one. Ooh, big one. Elephant's big. Good. Oh, no, whale. Thanks, whale. You are nice. So are you. Nice whale. Ooh, ice cream penguin. Ice cream penguin. Thank you for your ice cream. It is what I do. Piggy. Dr. Cat. Thank you for being a great doctor. You are welcome. Wow. Ooh, the bat. Piggy. Brian Bat. Thank you for drawing with me. That was fun. Piggy! You are forgetting someone. Someone very important. Really? Oh, now I know who you're talking about. flies. The flies. Thank you for cooking with me. Anytime, dude. Ah!
Not the flies, Piggy!
I cannot think of anyone else I have forgotten to thank, Gerald. Oh. Oops. I goofed. Made a mistake. Thank you, Elephant Gerald. You are the best friend a pig could ever have. Big hug.
That means a lot to me, Piggy. But I did not think that you forgot me. Oh?
Ah! Who did I forget to thank?
Our reader.
책 읽은 사람.
Our reader. You forgot to thank our reader.
Oh, they're looking at us. You are right. Oh, she came close. Thank you for being our reader.
We could not be us without you.
You are the best. Oh, they're thanking us. Thank you.
Good. You did it. Great thanking, Piggy.
Thanks to you. Yep, I am one lucky pig. Boys, there. You. Thank you.